anyways, they're also like, hey, you guys talk about funny papers a lot, right? Funny articles. But are there any funny journals?
Good question. Very good question.
It's a great question.
Great question.
So I looked it up.
Okay.
There are a lot of funny journals. Journals with very, very funny names.
Okay.
And what I want to do is I want to play a game where I give you a journal name. And you tell me what subject it's in. Okay?
Okay, so it's like a BuzzFeed, but with journal names.
Yeah, okay. Exactly.
And these are all journal names, like some of them are not like fake names mixed in with real names, nothing like that. Okay.
Please, Tirth, please. These are all real journal names. They're all, peer-reviewed journals, reputable journals. Okay. Maybe, potentially, we'll see.
Possibly. Okay.
You ready?
Yeah, I'm ready. Let's go.
The first journal name is the International Journal of Fuzzy Systems. Okay.
Okay. So
what do you
right
think
off
this
the bat,
is about? Mm-hmm.
Right off the bat, I have two possibilities, and I'm gonna think out loud. Okay, so you understand my thought process.
Think out loud. Talk it out.
Immediately, my thought was maybe this is a journal that deals in things that are literally fuzzy. Okay, so like tumbleweeds, dust bunnies, things that come out of your ear, like earwax before it gets too hard. It's a little fuzzy,
Fozzie Bear.
Oh, Fozzie Bear, yes, of course. Cotton candy, Okay, that's one. This is one group of things that I was thinking about. The other less exciting and less interesting possibility is this is a journal that deals in uncertainty. Yeah.
Good. What kind of uncertainty?
Like probabilities and statistics.
Yeah.
Things like that.
Okay. That's pretty close.
I think sadly, the second possibility is probably correct.
That's very close. I'm not going to give you a point because the first answer was way off. But the second answer was pretty close. Fuzzy logic is you've been doing some computer science recently, so you know about Boolean logic, true or false, right? 0 or 1.
Yeah.
Fuzzy logic is basically something between 0 and 1. It's not quite so dichotomous. So true values is not necessarily 1, but between 0 and 1. So it's used to deal with partial truth. So it's sort of a branch of computer science.
Okay.
What do you think the impact factor? That's another part. That's another part of this. Is you have to guess the impact factor. But please explain impact factor.
Okay. I was actually just going to ask you this question, so I'm glad you followed up. So impact factor in general is this one. It's like supposed to be one number that measures how impactful a publication in that journal is. There's a lot of issues
journal overall.
Overall, right? So it's there's a lot of issues with this metric, but for the purpose of this discussion, it's like one number that tells you how prestigious a journal is.
Yeah. Basically, it's an average of like the latest published papers, how many citations they get per year.
Yeah.
Right.
Yeah.
So if it's impact factor or IF of 10, average paper gets 10 citations per year. The recent publications.
Yeah. They'll also like stretch this out over 5 years and 10 years so you see the trend and things like that.
Yeah. Not a perfect measure of a journal's impact, like you said,
by
but
any means.
Interesting. Yeah. So what do you think? International Journal of Fuzzy Systems.
1.3.
That's very low. Now, I should say, this publication ceased in 2010.
Okay, that's information you could have given me.
So the latest impact factor we have is from 2010, and it's not whatever you said.
I said 1.3.
1.3. Yeah. It's 3.6.
Wow, double what I was saying.
That's
more
a very
than
good impact factor. Anything like 2 to 3 or above is pretty good.
Vast majority of journals fall in like the 1 range or actually below 1. So yeah.
Well, we might get to some below 1 impact factors today.
Blogs.
Next journal is called Idealistic Studies.
Okay.
What do you think that's about?
Idealistic Studies. Seeing that you actually unfairly docked points when I gave a very funny answer, I'm going to stick to a serious answer this time.
No. Please. Humor comes first. Humor before pride.
First. Okay. Well, I guess that's why we're doing this podcast in the first place.
Yeah.
So Idealistic Studies. I think this is a journal where they talk about things that they would do in an ideal situation, but don't do. So actually, they could also call it the Journal of Regret Studies.
I see.
But at least they're they're coming clean, so to speak, to making themselves feel better.
Good.
Yeah.
Good. Mm-hmm.
Okay. Mm-hmm. I think the more mundane answer is this is probably a philosophy type journal. Or maybe alternative like behavioral research type of journal where they say what the ideal behavior should be.
Oh, that's interesting.
Yeah.
I actually like that a lot better than what it actually is, which is your second answer. It's a philosophical journal. It's about philosophical idealism championed by Kant.
Yeah.
Reality is equivalent to mind, spirit, or consciousness, or whatever. Everything's a mental construct. It's basically idealism. Yeah. What do you think its impact factor is?
So social sciences journals have a very different system than hard sciences.
Idealistic Studies. It's not even a science. It's a philosophy.
Fair enough. You should call it natural science. 0.8.
Too optimistic. 0.3. 0.3. The average article
is cited 0 times.
Cited 0 times. Yeah. Less. 3 articles get cited once, maybe.
Yeah.
The next journal, scientific journal, is called Small.
SMALL?
Yes.
Okay, not SMOL.
No.
Which is the internet's version of small. Okay, cute small. Okay.
What do you think this journal's about?
So actually, I have a slightly nerdy answer, okay? Maybe this is a humorous answer. There was I think there's a scientist named something Small. I think he's a neuroscientist. So maybe this is a journal devoted to his life, you know?
I see. Or just only accepts
only
his
he's allowed to
publications.
publish. Yeah. Like Dr. Paul McCrory.
McCrory. Oh.
Oh, gee. Okay.
Miss that guy. Let's talk about him some more in a future episode.
Yeah. But I think that, again, the more realistic answer is this is a journal that deals with microscopic things, some things that you're probably familiar with more than I am.
Smaller.
Yeah.
Smaller. I mean, you're on the right track, but it's smaller.
Yeah. Smaller things?
Smaller than what you said.
Oh, nanoscopic.
Yeah. Nanoscience and nanotechnology.
Wow. Okay.
So the journal's name is technically misleading. Yeah. It's like if you were studying bacteria and called the journal big, right?
Yeah.
We're talking about that scale.
It's all relative. Yeah.
What do you think its impact factor is?
I think this one's probably like 4.
Wow. No, it's actually higher.
Higher than 4. Okay, 8.
Nope.
Higher than 8.
Yeah.
15.
13.
Wow.
Yeah.
Holy moly. Okay.
Yeah. Well, nanotech's, very big.
Right.
I think this might be one of the premier nanotech journals. I'm
definitely
not sure.
Sounds like it. I mean, Nature of Nanotechnology or something might be higher, but who knows?
Maybe.
Yeah, I don't know. Well, that's cool.
Here's another peer-reviewed scientific journal called Positivity.
Positivity.
Yeah.
I think this is a social science journal.
Okay.
That talks about like perception of self and people around you and how like body positivity kind of thing.
Oh.
Yeah.
Interesting. Okay.
Yeah.
Wrong. Very wrong. Not even close.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, I was going to say maybe it's also a journal run by middle school students where they only talk about positive numbers because they're not aware of negative numbers yet.
I'll give that to you. It is not run by middle schoolers, but it is about positive numbers. Very good. It's the International Mathematics Journal devoted to theory and applications of positivity.
Wow.
I.e. positive numbers and other positive things. But yeah. What do you think its impact factor is?
Math journals have, I think in general, people don't read them as much because it's very esoteric. Even other mathematicians might not be able to understand it.
There's probably, like 10 people studying any given topic.
Right. So this is like probably going to be less than 1, like 0.5.
0.9. Very good.
Yeah.
Very good. All right. Yeah. Here's another peer-reviewed scientific journal. It's called Rangifer.
How do you spell it?
Rangifer. Rangifer. Just like it sounds. Okay. Cheers. Rangifer.
It's like not Jennifer. A made-up word. It's like Jennifer, but Rangifer.
It's like if Randy married Jennifer. Yeah, it would be Rangifer.
Oh yeah, like the wedding site. Like they would be like, join us for Rangifer. Yeah.
Yeah, exactly.
All right.
Yeah.
What do I think this is for? I think this is the Wildlife Journal about park rangers.
That's very close. I see where you got that idea from because Rangifer sounds like rangers.
Yeah.
It is an outdoors journal.
Yeah.
But it's about reindeer, the husbandry of northern ungulates. Reindeer, the genus for reindeer is Rangifer.
I see.
You got to the right answer by the wrong method, but I'll give it to you.
Hey, we've talked about ungulates quite a bit on this podcast.
Yes.
Goats before.
Big fan of ungulates.
Yeah.
IF, what do you think? Impact factor?
This has got to be less than 1, man. Come on.
It is. It's well, it's not given an impact factor by SCI or Scopus. For whatever reason, it is indexed by them, but but according to Exactly, it's 0.6.
Yeah.
All right. I also found a few journals from the mega publisher MDPI.
Oh, big fan. Big fan.
Yeah. Very. Yeah. No, we don't need to talk about them anymore.
Yeah, industrial scale.
Yeah. First journal name from MDPI is called Marine Drugs. What do you think it's about?
Okay, 2 possibilities. One is it's written by it's about the drug trade and drug trafficking and smuggling across the oceans. And various coastal authorities and their efforts to contain this nefarious activity. But once again, I think the more mundane explanation is these are drugs that you can find from marine creatures and plants.
Very good. Or just the ocean. Just the ocean water. Yeah. Very good. Very good.
Yeah.
Impact factor?
0.8.
Much higher.
Oh, okay.
It's a big field. Very big field. Finding drugs in the ocean.
8.
5.4.
Wow. Okay.
That's a very high impact factor.
I'm humbled. Yes.
Yeah. Exactly. Yeah. All right. Here's another journal from MDPI, scientific journal. It's called Inventions.
I see. Yes. I think this is the type of journal where, did you know that cartoon show Dexter's Lab?
Yes. Big fan of Dexter's Lab.
Yeah. I feel like this is the type of journal that Dexter would like self-publish with all his crazy inventions and gadgets.
Okay. Internal publication of Dexter's Lab. Yeah. Sometimes DD writes a forward. Mandark sometimes contributes.
Maybe just a diss,
Yeah.
I think in real life, it's probably just a very broad journal that maybe talks about different gadgets that people's
inventions. Yeah. What do you think its impact factor is?
2.
Very good. 1.9.
Yeah.
The next journal from MDPI is called Publications.
That's very meta. That's very Inception. It's very meta, man.
Yeah. What do you think? What do you think they publish in the journal Publications?
Maybe they talk about the publication industry.
Yeah, they do.
As the whole,
Yeah, that's actually exactly what it is.
It's like that old exhibit meme. It's like, yo, dog, I heard you like publications. So we made a publication about publications.
Exactly. It's a journal on scholarly publications. Which, I mean, I guess it makes sense. It's a funny name, but yeah, they talk about things like impact factor and things like that. I think. I don't know. I'm not going to read it. Impact factor? What do you think?
4.
2.5. You're going very high with these.
Yeah. All right. Oh, it's just the first one threw me off, man.
MDPI.
I know. The first one was so high. I'm like, okay, maybe these are some of the legit ones.
Well, actually, ignore what I said.
Okay.
So that's a little hint for you. The next journal from MDPI is called World.
Yeah. Nice. Wow.
Yeah.
Very
what do you
broad.
think it's about? Mm-hmm.
These, some of these titles are like books you see from like the 18th century, the 17th century, when like scientists knew nothing about anything. Mm-hmm. And they're like, you know what? I'm going to write a book called The World because I have a theory of how the world works. So I think this is like an environmental journal that probably talks about like anything happening in the world, like from an environmental standpoint.
That's close. Yeah. It's very close. It's a journal about anything that happens in the world relating to environmental issues, but also economical, social, and political issues.
So everything, basically.
Everything, yeah.
It's like the Economist magazine. That's what they do.
As long as it happens on Earth, yeah.
They got it covered.
They'll take it. Impact factor?
0.3.
1.9.
Oh, okay. Still pretty high.
A lot of people are interested in the world. A lot of people.
Well, not just that. They're interested in World by MDPI.
Very big field. World studies. Yeah.
Okay.
All right. Here's another journal from MDPI.
Yeah.
It's called J.
Just the letter J?
Just the letter J, yeah.
No.
Yeah. Just the letter J. Legitimate scientific peer-reviewed journal. Yeah, it's called J.
So I'm going to tell you the first thought that crossed my mind. Do you know what Dr. J is?
Sounds familiar.
He was a legendary NBA player. Mostly played in the in Philly, and he's in the Hall of Fame and everything. His name was Julius Erving. Went by Dr. J when he was playing. He had this very sick like jump shot and everything. Anyway, so my first thought is this journal's all about him.
No. It's a terrible guess, if I'm going to be honest.
Okay, what is it?
You don't want another guess? It's called J.
Okay.
Come on. J.
J.
Yeah.
I think it's about the bird blue jay.
No. It's about all natural and applied sciences. All of it. Yeah. Everything.
Why J though?
J for journal, I'm guessing.
Okay.
Very good journal.
Oh, that's too good, man.
Yeah. J. Imagine writing that in the citation. Just J.
J.
And they italicize it. And period.
People are like, what?
What?
Oh my God, that's too good.
Impact factor. What do you think?
Well, considering that it encompasses all of science.
Huge field.
Yeah.
Huge field.
Massive field.
Yeah.
2.
Incorrect. It doesn't have one.
So this is the hidden gem.
Too high to calculate.
Maybe people are too intimidated to publish in this.
That also, yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, here's another journal from MDPI.
Yeah.
It's called C. Not SEA.
Yeah.
Or SEE.
Just the letter C.
Or CI. Yeah. Just the letter C.
Mm-hmm. So I actually think this journal is about the computer programming language C, which underpins essentially all of modern computing.
It's a good guess. Good guess. It is not.
Oh, well, it should be though. MDPI, if you're listening. Okay, second guess. I think this is about computer science.
Nope. I'll give you the field, the general field. It's more specific than that, but it's chemistry.
Oh, click chemistry.
Entire journal devoted to click chemistry. That would be cool, but no.
Yeah. Okay.
No.
Then no, I don't know.
What does C stand for in chemistry?
Chemicals?
No.
Chemistry?
On the periodic table.
Oh, carbon.
It's about carbon. That's right. All about carbon.
Yo, that's also very broad, okay? Literally all life on the planet is carbon-based.
Anything that has carbon emissions.
Yeah, they got you covered.
Life. They got it. Diamonds.
They're interested. Diamonds,
Everything.
Yeah. Wow.
Impact factor, what do you think? This one actually has one.
1.7.
Higher. 2.9.
Wow, okay.
Yeah.
A lot of people studying carbon.
Big field.
Big field.